Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to use the application of Etsy. You will go to Etsy app as you see and you will click. Here in this page you will find a lot of products. You can go to any product you want here. We go to the deals as you see, but I don't have any deals here right now. You will go here to gifts. If you want to see gifts here, you will find it in this page. Then you will find this sign of favorites. Here we'll find notifications. Then we go to carts to see your carts as you see here, but I didn't add anything. After that, if you want to go to settings, we go to this sign of profile. Here in this page we go to profile. As you see, you will add or edit your profile here. As you see, you will find your followers and following. Here we'll find purchases. Then you will go to reviews. You'll find here continue shopping. Then here in this page you will find messages if you want to see your messages on this application. Here you will find shop Etsy gift cards. You will here add your receptions name, your name, add a personal note. You will add the amount of choose amount here, custom amount as you see, and when you will fill in this information, then you will click here add to cart as you see to add it, and you can choose your design for this gift card, for example this or any gift card you want here. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. Before that, here we will find also select currency if you want to change your currency here. Then here if you want to change your language in this application, here privacy, if you want to turn on or to turn off, manage your privacy here, manage your address, you will add your new address here. Dark mode, if you want to turn on or turn off your dark mode. Then here we'll find push notifications to manage your notifications, and then we'll find here sign out if you want to sign out about this application. Here also you can choose any product to buy it here. For example, wallpaper, you will go here to this page and you will choose or select any wallpaper you want. Then you will click here, for example in this sign as you see, in this wallpaper for example, and here you can click add to carts or buy it now, and here we'll find your price like this. So that's all of here you will find your reviews. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.